Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is another video of my pulse motor. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit about it so you don't say that it's fake or anything. Let me go ahead and show you. Please excuse my camera-ness because it's not that great, but right here it's just a normal 2 CDs with some neodymium magnets equally spaced apart. Okay, right there is just the drive off a CD-ROM and it's been marked. Here is my reed switch, and it's designed from a paper clip, and I can go into that. You can watch my other videos. It shows you how you can make one. And here's my primary pulse motor, and here are some secondary pickup pulse motors, and I'm going to go ahead and use these, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. Okay, here we go. We're going to go ahead and put this right back down on here, make sure it's secure. Okay, and basically what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and turn the battery on. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little turn. And obviously, hey, it didn't work first time. It's okay. Just bring this in a little bit so we can get the little pickup going. Okay. You can just see right now we're just getting just a little pulse on this primary. Not going very fast, but you're going to just see in just a minute what this is capable of doing. Go ahead and get this up to speed with one pulse. Now I can show you folks, this thing is humming. Okay, I can guarantee you we're looking at right around 1,000 RPM, but I'll let you guys decide. And now, I'm going to go ahead and bring in one little more pickup coil. It's right here, and let's see what this does. Now, who's your daddy now? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you right now, this isn't made with any hard to find components. You can do this all yourself. You can spend thousands of dollars on reed switches, on 555 relay boxes, on the Bandini circuitry, but ultimately, this is what you're going to get. You listen to the old pro. We're going to go right over here to say, well, wait a minute, how are we getting over 20 volts? Okay, just watch this, there we go. How are we getting all that? From a 12-volt battery. Well, you're asking me, how are you doing that, Steve? Well, that's a good question. There's 20 volts. All day long. And we're drawing basically between 1 volt, just pulsing, between 1 and 5 volts, just pulsing it. Hardly drawing any electricity. Actually, this light is drawing more electricity. Okay? I want you guys to watch this. Okay? So now you guys know this is reflecting what it's putting out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you've seen another video of mine. Thank you very much for watching.